Hi guys, this is from Modern Techies. Today I'm going to unbox VR virtual head box. This is from a company called Drumstone. So it's a very entry-level basic virtual reality box. I just bought it for around 450 rupees, which I got this VR controller, Bluetooth controller along with itself. So let's get started. So before diving into the video, let me tell you what is this VR and virtual reality box all about. So as you know, nowadays this technology is being going forward quickly. So if you want to see any virtual content in your phone itself, so if you want to have some immersive video experience, and if you want to see some object before you, it is moving around you, so we can see all that things in this VR headset. So this might be cheap for the one who just want to know what exactly is VR, and that I think this entry level headset is for them. It's very basic. So let me before showing this box, let me show you this is the controller. You can see this is power on and off. These are like ABCD control. These controllers are like normal gaming controller where you can control, because when you keep your phone inside the headset, it's it is difficult to touch the phone. So at that time we can use this controller to control the phone. So next, when it comes to this box, you can see this is all plastic build. I won't say it is a very good build, it is decent. And this is the strap which you keep to your head, and you can see these are two blocks plastic are the adjustments for the focal length. So you can see when I move forward, backward, you can see the lenses keep moving back and forth. This is to adjust the lens, because you can adjust the lens according to your convenience. And this one also, so these two plastic buttons, so if you move them sideways, you can see these lenses are going towards the nozzle part. So if you to the right side, so you can adjust according to the clarity you want. When you insert the phone, you will understand what is the adjustable configuration you want for these lenses. So according to that you can just configure. So that's it regarding this. So what else, that's it. And where you want to keep the phone is, there is this portion where you have to bring out some plastic case. So this is the plastic material where you are going to keep your phone. So suppose we are keeping your phone like that, it stiffly attaches the phone to this plastic material so that it won't fall down when you keep inside the VR headset. So I think this is the Samsung Galaxy M21s, and this is about 6.4 inch. So this VR headset supports more than 6 inches, I think up to 6.7 inch. It can support any mobile device. So that's it regarding this headset. So how to experience this virtual reality? So what best apps we have in the Play Store right now to have very good experience? So before showing these VR virtual apps and how to use them, it's very simple, guys. Before, like for example, if you want to see any movie, like any fictional movie like Transformers, like any science fiction, Avatar, you will get very good immersive experience just inside this box. So let me show you how. First of all, what you have to do is you have to go to Play Store. So first of all, I am going to show you set of apps which you need to download. So type VR. You can see when you type VR, you can see so many virtual reality apps. First of all, when you bought this headset, you have to download this app, Google VR Services app. This is the prerequisite app if you want to see experience any virtual reality content in your phone. So once that is done, So this is the Cardboard app officially from Google. So once you download it, you can download this Cardboard. So each app I am showing is different virtual reality videos and so much stuff. So this is one of the basic uh, Cardboard VR headset app. So you can download this and I will show you how it looks afterwards, but let me tell you what apps you should download first. So, and there is this Within VR. So this app has some very good looking downloadable content where once you download it, you can experience the virtual reality given by that app provided. You can see space, you can see so many places which they have already built specifically for VR headsets. So this is one very cool app. I will show you what is there inside this app afterwards, step by step, but I'm just telling what apps you should have to download for now. And there is another app called this VAR's VR video player. This is very good app, guys. So this app is for any video, any movie or any video you are playing, you want to experience in virtual reality box. So this app is for those. So what actually this VR does is, you can see it splits one image, like it splits one video into two videos, so that when you keep this video when you keep this phone into your box, you can have separate two images converged into one image, and you can really experience that it is before you. So that's how it works. So, and this curved part is like you can adjust like how much this inclination should be. You can increase, decrease it. It all depends on your eye focal length. So I am going to tell how, and let me show you what apps I downloaded. So this is the Within VR I told, Cardboard, VR's video player, and this is the awesome app, guys. This is the best of all. This is Cine VR. So this is a very cool app. What it does is, you can experience, you can connect with your friends, maybe who are remotely in another location, and you both can see the same movie by sitting in a virtual theater. It's possible. So cool. I will show you how later. And apart from that, this is like one of the virtual reality app, Roller Coaster. This is like sample app I am suggesting you to download. So this is if you want to see roller coasting up, going down, if you want to really experience, and you can download this all entire thing can be possible with this small very affordable virtual headset. You can do everything. So let's dive into it. First of all, let's go to this VR Cardboard. So now you can see when I rotate my phone, you can see it has already pre-built. So actually it is asking me to keep this phone into the headset. So I am just keeping my phone to the headset. Now you can see, guys, when I kept the phone in this auto rotation mode, you can see the single video clip has been converted into two separate images. So you can see, so when I keep inside the box, I know, guys, it is very difficult for you guys to show how actually it looks, but I am trying to show you. So 1 second. Yes, guys, I have seen, it's awesome. So I know it's very difficult to show you guys, but this is how it looks. So you can see I can adjust my lenses like this according to whatever the adjustment you want. So what you can do is, there is a start button inside it, so you don't need to click with your hand. You just need to rotate this headset so that there is one point where it reaches the start, and it's instead of touching that point will trigger that action and it plays. So you can see all the virtual content surrounding to you by just moving your head around you. So this is one cool app. So here it is, guys. So you can see You can see surrounding and all. So sorry guys, I can't show you what exactly you can see in the headset, but I am really telling it is an awesome experience. So let me show you similar apps. This is basic app. Whenever you buy any VR headset, you can experience virtual reality instantly in that cardboard app. And next one is let me show you not only in this but also if you go to any, suppose Avatar. So in YouTube also, if you want to see any video in VR also, it is possible guys. So what you need to do is go to any, like this. I am going to Avatar trailer. So when you are in the landscape mode, so you can see this three dots, right? You can click the three dot and you can click this watch in VR. So click continue and you can see immediately, see, I think you can see it is as I said before, split the video into two. You can see there is a small dot. When I am moving over here, I am keeping pause button. Now it pauses.
Told myself I could pass any test and I can pass. All I ever wanted was a single thing worth fighting for. Ladies and gentlemen.
So you can see guys, there is a point over here. When I am moving that point to the pause menu, it will pause. You can see that when it's in the box.
This is why we're here. Because this little gray rock sells for 20 million a kilo. Their village happens to be resting on the richest deposit and they need to relocate.
So that's it guys, this is for this YouTube video. I know it's very hard to tap on it, that's where this Bluetooth controller comes in. So that is one of the app guys. So next, so guys, I forgot to show you this Bluetooth controller, how it works. So actually what happens, if you go backside here, you can see two 3BSLs you have to insert, and when you long press this power button, you can see. So when you turn on the Bluetooth, this is the name of this device, Utopia 360 remote. So when you turn on, it will automatically connect. So let's see another cool app. Now these two apps are very cool. Next one is this within VR app. Can see. So guys, you can see these are the number of virtual reality content they have provided in the single app. So what you have to do is, suppose you want to see some space full of, suppose this space walker, this is just like Gravity movie, you can feel when you insert your phone in the box. So you can either download or stream directly. I am clicking stream, so it downloads all the content. So internet is needed for this particular. And also you can see guys, when I am rotating my phone, you can see how around what is there inside that video content. Also it is also moving 3D in 3-dimensional. So it will be awesome experience if you insert this phone into the box and it will be attached to your head and you can rotate your head and you can see this entire immersive experience on the virtual reality box. So let me click play. Here we'll get view on phone or virtual headset. You can click virtual headset, so it has to keep in virtual box. So now you can see it started. So again it split image. So when I go to the start, it loads and you can see it is saying buffering and the video starts. Like this is like entire video, so we have to turn around and all. I don't know guys if you guys can see this, but you can see I was able to see some texture over here. You can see guys, there is a rocket launch which is going up. It's a very awesome experience because I have once checked this right now. You can see if you turn around, you can see all the visuals which you really feel that you are there itself. I know it's very difficult to show this by a headset, but you can see if you take this outside, this is how it looks. And guys, when you see this in the virtual areas and headset, it will be at another level, trust me. You can see this is the cockpit, I think, inside the. So that's it for this app. Let me show you what else we get. So this is this spacewalker. You can see there is full of stars. You can have loads and loads of this content created by this app providers, so you have very immersive experience. So definitely check out this app, guys. So next one is this VAR's VR video player. So this is a very basic video player which needs to be there for everyone who is using VR. So what it does is, so you can take any video from your phone. So guys, now I am going to show what options you have to choose for getting VR experience in any VR headset box in this app. So what you have to do is you have to go to the static option. So when you click static option, immediately you can see it has splitted the video into two parts. So if you want this video, we can adjust the size and without this video. So how we have to do is, first you can scroll this down or up. So I am clicking down, so you can see, so that the video is getting larger, and you can adjust this size also. You can see it is going left, right, and down, up. So now you can see it has adjusted. Now this is like a rectangle, but the focus the lens of the VR headset will be in circular, so it is better to have this rectangular in some kind of spherical. So what you can see this eye option. You can just bend the video like this, like a theater screen. You can modify the video like this, so that when you keep this exact video in the VR, you will get much more experience. So this entire thing you can adjust according to your own comfort by as the options given by them. Let me increase the brightness once. So you can see when I increase it so much, it is too much. So this is, I think this is enough. So just insert in the headset and you are ready to go. So this is like basic app, guys. This is must app for one who is experiencing VR. So this is the app name, VR's VR video player. So another one is VR Thrills. This is like one game, guys. You can go and check it out. It's very simple VR experience app. So the last one is Cine VR. This is the one of the most beautiful and awesome app present in the Play Store right now. So when you open this app, you can see there is an option like a full screen 360 degrees or VR mode, or you can see watch videos with friends by connecting through the Facebook. So what happens when you log in with the Facebook, the other friend you have should also have this any virtual headset box and this app installed, so that they can instantly connect to this app and you can see same movie side by side. This is very awesome app. So right now I am not going to show this Facebook. You can understand it's very simple. Let me show what actually this app is about. When you click VR mode, you can see it's starting with this splits the view into two. You can see there is a small pointer. This pointer is like our finger. So when you move the phone or headset the pointer also moves and it shows the which direction you are going. Suppose you can see here. So I am going to tell, if you are not able to see, there are like 3D videos, HD trailers, file explorer and 360 degrees which are shown here. So what is the difference is 360 video is like 360 view, and file explorer video video is like the app which I have shown earlier. You can open any video over here and you can see in this app. You can adjust your seats also. You can go and sit wherever you want in any seat. So if you want to go to that seat, so all that can be configured by here, and it's very difficult to show. 1 second. So now you can see, guys, here are the seats, and you can adjust wherever seat you want. You can go and sit there. So what you have to just rotate the phone and you can see this pointer. You have to see options, emojis, you can send emojis, log in with Facebook with your friends, and what options. 1 second. There is a option of volume over here, and there is a mute option, and let's see what else. But for now, let me show you how this app works. So let me go and collect. So guys, let's open any trailer. So I'm clicking this, so you can see all the latest trailers over here. So let me click Tenet trailer. So I am just moving the phone because, guys, it's not possible to show on camera because this orientation will be different when you hold the phone. So it is not like static to the camera, which will be in one position. So so that's it, guys. That is for this app, CineVR app. It's an awesome app. Go and download it. I will mention all these app Play Store links are down in my description below. You can go there and simply download it. I know it's very difficult to show all these apps correctly because it's because without inserting inside the VR headset, I know you can't really feel what is the experience, but I tried my best to show you these apps which supports all the VR content. That's it. So guys, just tell me in the comment section, like, if you want to see more cool VR apps like this, so that I will make a list of apps, and you can play VR games also with this headset. So a lot can be done with this headset. So this is like an amazing technology which is going to be very huge in the future. And guys, that's it. That is what this video of unboxing and detailed overview of what is virtual reality is all about, and what you can experience in this simple VR box. So I forgot to mention, you can also swipe right, because if you want to, suppose, let me show you, like, let me insert this. Like, you can see there is a camera over here, right? Like some of the apps, like, if they are not shown on the mobile screen, they need camera so that they will capture something. Suppose there is something over here, so that it captures that item and it projects that VR content on the screen. So for that, they have provided this empty area, so whenever there is no use, you can just slide it. So I forgot to mention that. So overall, guys, this is just for 450 rupees. This is one of the best headset. I know the quality is not that good but for the one who is experienced for the first time, this is a very good headset. So I recommend you to everyone once everyone should have to try this virtual reality. It's a very awesome experience. I know you can't watch more than 20-30 minutes because it pains a lot on your eyes, yeah, that is one of the biggest drawback of virtual reality content. But there is no other content which can be as immersive as this virtual reality. So that's the video for this video guys. So if you like this video guys, please give thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like awesome videos like this. And that's it guys. Let's see you in the next videos. Stay safe.